Backyard Bullion here, and a warm welcome to you all joining me for this week's In Focus Friday, where we take a good close look at something cool made of silver, gold, or even copper. We've got some very cool goodies that have come in from the Germania Mint, who are a long-term channel sponsor and friend. So in aid of openness and true transparency, they have gifted me these things to keep, which is incredibly generous of them. But we are here to give an open, honest, fair opinion of the products. And if you are interested, then there are links in the description box below to the Germania Mint's website and their official distributors page, where hopefully you can find a retailer of these absolutely stunning pieces near you. There are no affiliate bonus codes. It's just there to show these off in all their glory. And oh, are they good. So without further ado, let's start with the Knights of the Past 2023. So this is the third now in the series of the Knights in the Past, focusing on, as the title might suggest, Knights of the Past. These heroic and very historic Knight Templar and Hospitalier style artworks are really quite attractive. And the Germania Mint, of course, not one to lack in their way of presenting a coin. This card sleeve that has the coin sat in it there is absolutely stunning. I mean, the detail on it alone is great. It's high relief, it feels fantastic, and it has some incredible light play. And we haven't even started talking about the coin yet. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. It makes a good little display stand as well. We've got the certificate of authenticity in there, and of course a full artwork as well of everything going on. It's just incredibly well made and beautiful. The stand, as it goes, is like this. You would put those little tabs up, and then it comes back here, and then you slot the coin in. So it's a really nice way to display that coin and enjoy it. And I have no doubt that if I was to get out all of the others and line them up in a row, they would be absolutely stunning. So really, really nice product in terms of the overall presentation. It's really nice to see it on any kind of premium coin to go that extra length. You're getting quite a lot of extra value for your money in that sense. Now, to the coin itself and the particulars about it. Here's the certificate of authenticity that comes with the coin itself. And for those aficionados of the Backyard Bullion channel, especially the Germania Mint products, it is a coin. I have been saying the right thing all this time. So €5 denomination there is meaning it is a coin, not a medal or a round, which is a distinction that is important in the European Union for tax purposes and VAT purposes. But generally speaking, it's now still seen as a premium coin, all round, whatever the status of it is. And the Germania Mint products will naturally come at a premium because of their reduced mintage and also just sheer craftsmanship and beauty in manufacturing. And this is no different, with some absolutely exquisite level of detailing. So I'm just going to grab my phone and have a quick look at the specifications. So we've got a mintage of these of 15,000. There is a 2-ounce high relief gold gilded version where the armor and helmet and the helmet of the horse are gold gilded. Oh, that one looks good. That has a mintage of just 999. It would be a big ask to ask the Germania Mint to send me one to showcase, but oh, if we could ever see one of those, I think that would look stunning. It would, in my opinion, it's going to look the best of the entire series. It's gone from one where they had the knight holding the sword, and just the sword was gold gilded. The next one was two knights facing each other, and that had a little bit of gold gilding on. In fact, look, I have some of the images here on my phone. So there's the first one in the series, there's the second one in the series, and there's the third one. Oh, it absolutely looks stunning. No doubting that with the high relief and gold gilding, it would be incredible. So let's crack open the capsule and have a look at this coin in all of its glory. It is incredibly well made, and that's something that the Germania Mint have always set themselves apart with from all of their competitors, in my opinion. They are by far and away the best producer of high quality rounds out there at the moment. There are a lot of competitors who are getting very close, but oh my, they've got some absolute stunning detail on the armor of this knight. And you can see why I think the gold gilded version here would look even better than this one, but oh, it's a stunner. Really incredible high relief on the letterings of the Knights of the Past there, and the denomination here of €5 too. It looks fantastic, it really does. Oh, the light playing off the different parts of the shiny finish as against, or the gloss finish I should say, as opposed to the matte finish, is really, really nice. So it's a very high quality round coin indeed. The opposite side is equally as well done. We have here the Maltese symbol. Really, really amazing high levels of detail and quality. If we can get even closer into the detailing here on the crest, it's so good. Like, I do not understand how they can manage to get such levels of detail on these products that they're producing. It really is quite incredible. Nice to see like the chainmail background here, the bleeding over of the design through to the other side. It does make a difference. You know, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck on this particular product, in my opinion, compared with other premium coins out there. There are a lot of premium coins in this world that will just simply have you know, just the coin, sometimes not even supplied in a capsule. They'll just have that low mintage. 15,000 of the mintage for this particular product is a good one. I think that is a nice low mintage. Of course, it will be a premium product to buy in the first place, but no guarantees. But the you know, Germania Mint products have done very well in terms of their retention of premiums over a course of time, and this series is really very good indeed. And I think it will look really good when they I don't know if they're going to have a specific amount in the series, but as it continues, as it grows, it's going to only get better and better, I think. Now, they also sent me something else which is kind of cool, and this is one of their copper cast bars. Now, I've always loved copper. I love the actual color of copper and its absolute beauty here, and it is nice to see a copper bar for a change rather than silver. At the end of the day, it is just a bullion bar, and do remember that copper as a product that you would buy like this is going to come at some quite high premiums. Now, I'm not going to take this particular product out of its plastic. I've done many a video talking about that and the reasons why I think that is cool. But with copper, of course, one of the biggest concerns that I've always had in inverted commas investing in copper is that over a long period of time, it will basically just end up looking green and not very nice and tarnished. And that's something that you'll have to struggle with if you have large bits of copper. But to have a nice pure bit of copper that will retain its beautiful color and shine, I think is pretty cool. Now, will copper be a worthwhile investment to have for the future? That's anybody's guess. And I'm not here to tell you that copper is going to be a good buy and that you'll be able to buy this bar and make a profit on it. But it's certainly a cool little add-on, an affordable way to get something that's pretty cool, pretty dense, pretty awesome, and a really nice demonstrated product from the Germania Mint. There is a product market for these types of bars out there. It's the reason why these exist in the first place. So, you know, who am I to say that there is absolutely no potential in these as collectible products, as products that could be something of interest to people down the line? But from my perspective, I'm not going to rush out and buy a whole stack of copper. It's just not cost efficient to the amount of money that you'd have to put into it to make it any kind of financial viability as an investment. But as a intricate, beautiful, lovely, fun thing to have, yeah, copper all the way for me. And the Germania Mint products here definitely setting themselves apart from some of the others. So that's pretty cool. Now, as I said at the start of the video, if you're interested in any of the Germania Mint's products, then head on over to their website. There's an official distributors page, which I hope I have remembered to link in the description box below, where you can find all of the dealers that they work with around the world, and you'll be able to buy this and many other of their products from them. That's it from me. A huge thank you once again to the Germania Mint for their constant sponsorship of our channel. It's really very cool to see that long-term support. And I hope that we'll be able to meet up with them in February when I go to the World Money Fair, and we'll actually see some more of their products and maybe even do some interviews. I don't know. We'll see. We're trying to work out the logistics of it, but it should be quite fun regardless. Otherwise, that's it from me. A huge thank you to all my Backyard Bullion Rambling Society members, as well as the Cool Kids Club. We'll see you on the next video. As always, please make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe for more.